In this video, you'll learn how to revert to a previous version in Airtable. This is really useful if something in your base has gone wrong. A lot of edits were made by mistake, or you simply liked an earlier setup better and want to go back to it. We'll walk through the process step by step so you know exactly what to look for and how to safely restore an older version of your base. First, on your computer, open your preferred web browser and go to the Airtable website. Make sure you're signed in to the correct account, especially if you work across multiple workspaces or teams. Once you're logged in, go ahead and open the specific base where you want to restore a previous version. It's important that you're in the right base because you'll only see the history and versions for the one you currently have open. When the base is open, look toward the top of the screen for the history controls. Depending on your Airtable plan and interface, you'll either see a small clock icon or a label like History, Base History, or Revision History in the top toolbar. This is the area that tracks changes made to your base over time. Click that clock icon or history option to open the history panel. Airtable will now show you a timeline of changes. This timeline lists edits that have been made to the base, often including who made the change and when it happened. Take a moment to scroll through this list. You'll see entries grouped by date and time, which gives you a clear picture of how your base has evolved. This is especially helpful if you're trying to track down when something specific changed, like a field being deleted or a large batch of records being updated. Next, you'll want to pinpoint the version you want to return to. Look carefully at the dates and times in the history and stop at the moment just before things went wrong or before the unwanted changes were made. When you find that point in time, select that entry in the history panel. This doesn't immediately revert anything, it just lets you review what the base looked like at that moment. After selecting a date and time, Airtable will give you a preview of the changes that existed at that point. Use this preview to make sure it's really the version you want. Check for key tables, views, fields, and records you care about. This is your chance to confirm that you're not accidentally going back too far or choosing a point that doesn't include recent work you still want to keep. Once you're confident that this is the right moment to restore, look for the option that says Restore or Revert to this version. Click that option to tell Airtable you want to roll the base back to that earlier state. Airtable will usually prompt you one more time to make sure you really want to do this, since it can affect the entire base. Finally, confirm the action when you're prompted. After you confirm, Airtable will apply the rollback and restore the base to the version you selected. Give it a moment to process, then review your base to ensure everything looks the way you expect. That's all there is to it. You've successfully reverted your Airtable base to a previous version.